Hello Sagittarius, Sun, Moon and Rising, and welcome to this week's reading with me. If you're new to my channel, dear Sagittarius, I suggest you please do subscribe so that you're notified every time I release a new video. So let's see what are the general readings for Sagittarians this week. Well, it starts very well. Success in all your enterprises. This energy is about happiness, about joy in all your affections, your relationships, and is also announcing good health, my dear Sagittarius. If you have been panicking about your health or something like that, then things are going to start getting better for you, my dear Sagittarians. I also see that you will be protected from all kind of challenges and difficulties at the beginning of the week. This is what I'm seeing. And I'm also seeing that money wise also things are going to be good. However, my dear Sagittarians, you need to take care of being overly generous, because there money wise the conditions won't be very good for very long. Okay, so you need to keep a bit for yourself, and then you can be generous with a particular percentage of your finances. All right, my dear Sagittarius, this is what is happening at the beginning of the week. I also see that you are getting more clarity of certain situations in your life, why things have been like that. Clarity is coming into the picture, the light is shining, and there are places also where the light is going to shine, which you will have to improve. There are, as we are in the Scorpio season, whatever is dark around us gets highlighted with the light, and then we see that, oh, this is the problem area, so I need to work on this area of my life. Oh, this shouldn't be done. So why did I fail here? Why couldn't I succeed here? Okay, because I did this. Okay, because it is something inside of me that has blocked it. So these kind of small things will be highlighted at this point of time, and they are not coming to trouble you or to show you that, oh, you went wrong. No, never. The universe will always point out things which need correction, which need to be healed, my dear Sagittarius, and this is happening with you at the beginning of the week. And I am also seeing that your energy is bubbling, and you will be able to really use it constructively for attaining something higher in life. This is what I'm seeing, my dear Sagittarians. Love wise also I'm seeing that things are looking quite promising right now for you. There is a clarity about a certain relationship that you were in, you are in, that is going to be highlighted also. So you need to see if there is something that needs to be healed in a particular relationship also, my dear Sagittarians. And then we are going to the midweek, and it is a wonderful energy once again. And what is it showing us? I am seeing over here that this energy is showing us that Sagittarians are entering into a period of chance. They are entering into a period of good luck as far as money matters are concerned, my dear Sagittarians. I am seeing for Sagittarians that things are looking more and more better as far as finances are concerned. Now what is going to happen is you will be given a lot of responsibility, for example in a job, but these responsibilities will come with an extra check also on your table. Okay, so whatever is coming extra responsibility wise to you, it is coming for extra money also. Even for students, the midweek seems to be a very good time in order to network with their friends, to get things done, to be more focused about their future, like what do they want exactly, how do they want to see themselves in the future, and then they are going to work towards it. This is what I am seeing also. So all in all, the midweek seems to be very promising money wise, materially speaking, and luck is on your side, protection is upon your side, my dear Sagittarius. And then we go to the end of the week, and the end of the week puts you in touch with a feminine energy. This feminine energy can be at a person at home or at work. It can be a colleague, it can be one of your relative, your wife also, it can be your sister also. But I see more a kind of a professional kind of energy that this person emits. Okay, however, this person is helping, but is a kind of a selfish energy. So you need to take care of it, my dear Sagittarians. Is that, are you going to let this selfish energy take away the hard work, credit that you deserve so much? All right, so you need to be really I would say, vigilant? Or is it you who is taking the credit for somebody else's hard work? Okay, so just be more honest in answering this to yourself. And if you see yourself getting carried away because of some manipulative people around you into on a wrong path, then you have to refrain, you have to just put brakes on that and come back to your path. Because for Sagittarians, I see that they are people who are meant to be on the good path, who are meant to be on the path of truth. They cannot, get diverted, or they cannot be manipulative as such. This is what I'm saying. So over here, my dear Sagittarians, you really, really have to take care of this feminine energy. For some of you, you might be seeing this person in the context of your work, where this person is actually showing off as a friend but is a potential rival. So be very careful about all that you do, your work that you do, my dear Sagittarians, and protect it and have your stamp upon it. It is copyrighted by you. Otherwise, this kind of an energy is going to put the cherry on the cake and say, I baked it. All right, so just be careful with this kind of energy, my dear Sagittarians, at the end of the week. I also see that some of the Sagittarians might be visiting some administrative office or seeing some kind of a professional person. It can be a person regarding health, or a bank also, or some kind of administrative government offices also. This is what I'm seeing at the end of the week. This is the energy that is seen for you. And when I'm seeing all these things happening, I would like to tell you, my dear Sagittarians, for this week is that protect and shield your energies. Shield your energies against any kind of energy attacks upon you. Sometimes we don't realize, but we might lose our sleep, or we suddenly stop eating or don't feel good. Suddenly we start getting headaches out of nothing. Okay, sometimes, of course, we have to know that these are not the health issues that we are facing, but nightmares all the time. For a person who sleeps very well and suddenly you start getting like that, you need to know that you have been attacked on the energy level, and you need to start protecting your energies. And as in another video also I said about energies, is that if you feel after meeting someone that you don't feel good and disturbed inside of you, just come home and in your bathing water you put a pinch of turmeric and a pinch of salt, and just mix it, and then take shower, or rather take a bath with this kind of water, and just flush out all the negative energies that you have got. And I would like to tell you also that burn incense in your house if you can bear, and you're not allergic to incense sticks, then you should do that, and just ventilate your house also, because I see that energies can be a bit charged this week. Even if things are looking quite good, I have the feeling that you need to shield and protect your energies. All right, and please, like, do the chanting, whatever your faith is. You do the chantings of your sacred scriptures loud, okay, so that you vibrate your own throat, and your whole body vibrates with those, and also you vibrate all that is around you, so that you remove the negativity out of you and out of your habitat, your residence also, my dear Sagittarius. Okay, so take good care of your energies and protect and shield your energies in the good way, and don't forget to meditate, my dear Sagittarians. So thank you very much for listening. Please do like, share and comment, and I shall see you next time. Until then, take good care of yourself. Bye bye. God bless. Bye.